You're at the hospital. Administration is right here.
I'm going to the emergency room, sir.
Get in there. We're out of my car now.
Where is my
You're out
destination?
of my car now.
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination if you would kindly point out where I am.
It's your destination. It said here I was at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car now.
It's at 17,
Get out of my car now.
Sir,
Get out of my car now.
why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't fucking get out of my car.
But you're not to yell at me. You're not to yell at me.
Why?
Do it. Do it. Do it. You are facing
Get
very
out right fucking now.
You are facing
Get out of my car. Or you think I'm a fucking moron. Get out. Now.
You're facing
Now.
You have no right to scream at me.
I will fucking talk to you any goddamn way. Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right.
Where am I?
You're in a hospital.
Where?
We need to beat you out of my car. Can you get her out of my car, please?
Get in there!